Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 8. So it's a 4 gig RAM and a 64 gigabytes of inbuilt memory. So it has two nano SIMs and a memory card slot, a micro SD memory card slot that it's expandable up to 512 gigabytes, so you can install a 512 gigabytes of memory card inside this phone apart from 64 gigs. So yeah, it's compatible with it. It's compatible with the 512 gigabytes memory card. And the Redmi comes in black, comes in red color, but this is a sapphire blue type of Xiaomi Redmi 8. So it's a Redmi 8 phone by Xiaomi. Oops, that was upside down. So in the smaller box, there's a small box on top of the box. Smaller box on top of the box now. So that's the user guide and the warranty card. So then it comes with a transparent TPU case. So the transparent TPU case that can be of an added advantage. So when you get a phone, the first thing you think about is buying a case with it. So but this comes with a case, so you can just attach this right straight up and then start using it. Then it doesn't come with a protector, a screen guard, a screen glass protector. The glass of the Redmi 8 is a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so it should be pretty strong. There's nothing in the box, nothing else in the box. That's a micro SD. That's a micro cable, micro USB Type C cable, and the adapter. So alright, let's go straight to the phone. That's the phone. It comes with Redmi 8 comes with a 5000 mAh high capacity battery and supports quick charge 3.0, 18-watt charge. 18-watt charge. That will give you a quick charge. And then the screen, it's 6.22 inches HD plus dot drop display. So and it's a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and the camera, the front camera, the selfie camera is it comes in 8 MP megapixel, and the back camera, the 12 MP plus the 2 MP a high door camera. The processor, it's a Qualcomm processor and the Snapdragon 439, and there's an octa-core processor, and it's tuned up to 2.0 gigahertz. It's up to 2.0 gigahertz. And if you guys want to see more of this review, maybe game tests or something that you want to just put it down in the comment box below. Just put it down in the comment box below, so I'll try my best to put that one up so that you guys can see. So yeah, that's pretty much about the Redmi 8. So if you guys want to see more, please, I've said it before, if you guys want to see more, kind of comment in the comment box below. Yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. So peace.